What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So as you can see by the title, today's video is going to be another hair tutorial. Okay, we are installing this wig. Okay, get into it, hair. Yes, get into it. Y'all see them curls. Do not play with me. Okay, so I'll be using the Color Bond Premium Synthetic Fibers brand today. It's in the style Kimani, and it's in the color DR4/cream blonde. All right, now I've really been into, synthetic wigs, not for purposes of rocking them, but because, baby, at the end of the day, what I'm gonna rock is gonna be the best of the best, cream of the crop. Don't play with me. But I've been trying to learn how to apply my laces better and all that good stuff. So that's why I've been using synthetic wigs, because they're cheaper and I can literally change my wig up whenever I feel like it, honestly. So yeah, here's another synthetic wig for you guys. If y'all been watching my channel and watching my hair growth, like the times that I do show it, my hair is really growing and it's nice and healthy, and I'm loving the direction that it's going in. Okay, child, now I'm just going to be moisturizing my hair, because all the girls know that whenever you put in protective stylings, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized, because you're not going to be able to put any more moisture in it. My hair gets dry really fast, so baby, I was lathering up. Yes, I was lathering up, okay? And right now I'm just going in with some more moisturizer for my hair, and I'm just getting that everywhere, okay? Get it everywhere. Don't come for, my little alopecia that I got in the front. I don't even know if it's alopecia, but at this point, it might as well be, because that hair is not coming back. And she's making me mad, but she's not coming back. Like, I don't like that. But shout out to wigs, so I don't even have to worry about it. But yeah, if y'all have like some little remedies to get rid of like little baby bald spots, please put her my way, okay? Because child, I don't even know. Look, next case, because I don't even want to talk about it. It's making me mad. So I'm just going to be braiding my hair back as you would with any wig. I was going to do like smaller Meek Mills down the back of my head, but baby, that arm strength, I don't have it. So I was just like, yeah, we're gonna do 6. And 6 is okay. Yes, it is, because my hair is like thin, so it may not look thin, but my hair is really thin in my opinion. So I was like, yeah, you don't even got the arm strength to do all that, so just do your little 6 and go about your day. And then y'all see, look, I'm still braiding, because that's, my hair is long, okay? My hair is growing, y'all. It is growing. Like, right now, I'm obsessed with having, healthy hair. I want my hair to be healthier versus longer, but, I'm getting the healthy part down pat. The length is gonna come, okay? She better come. Especially all that money I be spending on them hair care products. She better come. Yes, okay. So let's hurry up and finish up these meat meal braids. Hurry up, girl. Hurry up. I know you want to give up, but finish strong. All right, now. Finish strong. All right, now I'm looking like a young NBA player, so let's get into it, grown man. Time for the transformation. Like I said, just moisturize your hair. Now I'm moisturizing that scalp, putting some hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is from Beautiful Desires. Go shop with her, get you some hair growth oil. We know the girls love for our hair to grow, and this works, so go get it. All right, support black business, support small business. All right, so yeah, I use this oil all the time, honestly. This is like my second bottle. I even bought some for my mom. So like I said, moisturize your hair as much as you can. Saturate that hair with moisturizer. Now I'm going in with some edge controller. This is probably the She Is Balm edge controller because that's the only thing that really works for me. I'm going in with the She Is Balm edge controller, and I'm just going to tame those baby hairs or lack thereof. Like, my baby hairs are long, but they're missing spots, so they're not full, and I don't like that. Like, I don't like that at all. Child, I can't wait till I have a child, and specifically a girl. So all the mistakes I done made with my hair, she didn't have to worry about it. I got you, sis, okay? I got you, sis. Now let's go ahead and put on that ball cap, okay? Put on something relatively closer to your skin tone, okay? Yes. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Freeze. Freeze. Put your hands up. Give me all your money. Run me your coin. Yeah. All right. Relatively pick a ball cap that is closer to your skin color because that'll be less work for you having to manipulate it. Now I'm going to just, glue down that ball cap with some glue. I don't even know what type of glue it is, but it's hair adhesive. All right. I'm sure it's the ghost bun. Like, y'all, my mind really be leaving me sometimes. My mind really be leaving me. And if I sound like a little sick, it's because I am. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I don't even have a cough. I don't have anything. I don't have the big C, okay? Don't have her either. But I don't know, like, my body has, like, y'all know, like, when you feel like you're getting sick. I've been in that stage for some time, and she's not leaving, and I don't know why. Like, right now I'm in the stage where, both of my nostrils are fighting to breathe. One get to breathe, then the other one get to breathe, like that. And it's been like this for a while, so I'm very much confused. So if y'all can, help a girl out. Help a girl out, because I'm sick of it. I just want to be regular again. I just want to be normal. Now I'm going in with some Got To Be glue spray, and I'm just spraying that down just to, child, I know people say, oh, it don't take all that, but for me it do, okay? Because I want to make sure. I don't got time, because I don't want to been done got to the end process and ain't nothing sticking the way it's supposed to. So I just, double security, triple security, I don't care. I'm gonna do what I need to do to get the results that I need to get, and you're just gonna blow dry until it's dry. Yeah, I really look like Corey in the house, honestly. So now I'm just going to cut off that excess ball cap, cut around where the glue is. Child, do y'all be seeing, like, y'all know on, like, if y'all got TikTok, y'all know everybody's on TikTok right now. So I'm starting to see a lot of the people that I grew up watching, like Corey in the House, Madison Pedersen, Good Luck Charlie, the baby from Good Luck Charlie, even China Ann McClain. Like, I'm starting to see a whole bunch of people who I grew up with that was on the TV. And baby, when I tell you, I thought they was younger than me, but they the same age as me. Like, no. I don't want to see little Madison Pedersen doing no twerking videos, doing no transformation video, looking like an IG model. I don't want to see that. Girl, you supposed to be America's Angel? That's what they call me. That's what you supposed to be. Not no IG model. Child. Clearly, I won't let them grow up. Okay, get into that wig. Y'all see that wig? Yes. So now I'm going in with the Sally Henson leg spray. I don't know where I seen somebody do this, but I seen somebody do this, and I was like, oh, this is so easy. It's kind of just, it's literally just like, spray, putting your foundation on your legs. But be careful with this, because sis was like, I don't know. I try, like, you gotta spray lightly. She does save you time, especially when it comes to, like, blending. And you see how easy that was? Or, like, bleaching your knots. You don't even have to worry about really bleaching your knots. But, like, she do kind of leave, like, this, like, weird little cast. And I was like, what is that? But, like, I used alcohol to wipe it off. We'll get to that. But, yeah. All right, this is a T-part wig. I didn't know it was a T-part wig until I bought it. Well, until it got delivered to my house. I thought it was a lace front, you know. But I mean, it is what it is at this point. Yes, it is. And that wig was fitting pretty snug. You feel me? Pretty snug. So now I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace, and it's easier for me to split the lace into parts, so that way I can perfect one part and then go and perfect the other, versus trying to stick the whole thing on there at one time. I'm going with the same Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just putting a thin layer around my little edges. What deal? Putting that around the little edges to secure that lace. Don't put too much. You literally just want a thin layer, because if not, you gonna be trying to blow dry all of that, and it's just gonna be a mess. So a little goes a long way. And I'm just taking the end of my rat tail comb and just thinning that layer out, spreading it out, get some more coverage. Let's blow dry that baby down until she a little tacky. And then now it's time to secure that lace. Don't really pay attention to the hairline, because I'm not a fan of the hairline. And we know that when we get synthetic wigs, like, the hairline is always a bit janky. But I wasn't really worried about it, because it also depends on the way I'm gonna wear my hair. So since it is a side part, I could literally cover up that hairline with the actual hair. So I wasn't really concerned about the hairline itself, because it's not like I was trying to pull the wig back. Now, if you trying to pull your wig back, then you need to definitely be concerned about that hairline, because maybe you want it to look natural as possible. Right now, this is giving very much clearance, box head clearance off of Cartoon Network. But like I said, whatever type of style you're trying to do, you'll know what you need to do. I'm using my comb to just push in that lace with that glue and try to, make it into one. And I definitely prefer using the rat tail comb with the metal part. Just for I don't know, I think the metal mixes better with the glue. So I prefer using the metal rat tail comb, the one at the end, than the plastic one. Now I'm going in with some Got To Be glue spray, just to, double secure the bag. We just securing the bag. Yeah, I don't know if I sound dry or not, but if I do, I'm so sorry, because like I said, I do not feel good. So if y'all can hear it, I'm sorry, because it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Look, okay? Just go watch another video and you'll see the energy. You'll feel it. Yeah. Right now, I'm just not. Hush your mouth. Dang. Just rude. Tied up them edges, okay? And now we taking them edges off. I let them edges sit for a bit. Ooh. And now we about to cut off that lace. All right. I was trying to make sure sis was okay, because I was like, are you stuck? Are you up? Are you up and stuck? And now I'm just going in with this little, I think that's an eyebrow cutter or whatever, to cut off that lace. I like this better. So this eyebrow cutter that I have, it's the one that folds closed. I don't like that one. I definitely would prefer the one that just sticks up straight, because with this, it's not it can lock into place and stay straight. It sometimes keep falling, so I gotta hold it and make sure it don't fall. But I like using the eyebrow cutter versus the scissors, because you can kind of get more up and close and personal. But once again, that's definitely a preference. If you want to use scissors, use scissors. But I just like to use the eyebrow cutter so I can get up and close and personal. And then you can kind of jagged the edges as much as you want with the eyebrow cutter. I feel like it'll be kind of harder to do that with scissors. Not that it's not doable, just harder, okay? You know, like they say, work smarter, not harder, baby. But be careful, because sometimes I do be cutting my skin off. Sometimes. But beauty is pain. So now I'm going in with that, like alcohol. I put alcohol on a napkin. And as y'all can see, what I was talking about with that spray. You know, I was trying to get that nonsense off my face. Now I'm going in with that same eyebrow cutter and cutting my baby hairs. I be wanting to try to like the new baby hair trends. Like, I don't want the baby hairs all over my face, but I be liking the cute baby hairs. But baby, that's gonna take some practice. That's a whole nother set of art skill right there. Doing baby hairs, that's a whole nother set of art skill. Like, I know you lying. Now I'm going in with this She Is Bomb tinted mousse. I really like this mousse. It doubles as a styling mousse and like a adhesive. It is sticky, so you be able to tell. If you do end up using this, I really love this product because it tints your lace, so it helps, especially when you didn't like tint your lace correctly. It does help to get that color that you want. This is in the shade Caramel, I believe. I really honestly love this product so much. Like I said, it doubles as an adhesive and a styling foam. Definitely get y'all hands on this product. I couldn't find it. It was very hard for me to find this product. I had went to probably like 4 different hair stores just to get this, but it's definitely worth it. This is revolutionary right here. I'm very surprised that there isn't more of this on the market, because this is revolutionary. 2-in-1 styling foam and adhesive. Come on now. And it's tinted. It's kind of like a 3-in-1. So yeah, I just swooped those baby hairs real quick. So that's why I wasn't even worried about, like, not even worried about the hairline. All right, we're gonna tie those baby hairs up, and we're getting to the end of this tutorial. Okay, I know, like I said, I'm a little sicky right now, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2021. Gang, gang, gang. I really appreciate y'all, and I love y'all so much, y'all. We're on the road to 1K. Don't play. Look of me installing this wig. This wig is kind of like a ash blonde color, and it has like various different like highlights in between. This is my first time wearing no, it's not yes it is. Yeah, and I like how it's ombre at the top. I'm really feeling it. Yes, I love like blonde colors. Blonde is my color, okay? Like, if y'all see me, y'all would know that blonde is my color. This is definitely a synthetic wig. Only thing that's annoying me is how frizzy it is, but I'm sure I could fix that. But yeah, if y'all are wondering why, like, on my channel I've been doing like a whole bunch of synthetic wigs, it's because I'm just basically trying to practice laying down wigs. So it's easier for me to do that with the synthetic wig versus a wig that actually costs money. And yeah, I'm really feeling it. Only thing I don't like is that this wig is a T-part wig. I did not know that. I thought this was going to be like a whole lace front. Somebody lied to me. Somebody did. But I'm really feeling this look. Do not play with me. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2021. Gang, gang, gang. And I'm out.